Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another haul video. If you are looking for stylish, comfortable and budget friendly kurta set, then this video is for you. I have got 5 kurta set from Myntra which is beautiful, comfortable and affordable. So without any delay, let's start the video. I have written all the details about the kurta set in this diary so that I don't miss any of the details. Starting with this gorgeous navy blue kurta set which comes with a pant and a dupatta, and I absolutely love the print going all over the kurta. This is the neck of the kurta and it has this beautiful thread work going all over the neck area. यहाँ पे ये thread work चल रहा है पूरे neck area में जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है। इस कुर्ता सेट में आपको 3/4 sleeves मिल जाएंगी। The contrast color is looking very good. It is very lightweight and very comfortable to wear. इसका fabric मैं बता देती हूँ आपको, this is pure cotton and that is why I am feeling very comfortable in this, and it comes with this palazzo सेम नेवी ब्लू एंड इसमें ये प्रिंट हो रखी है पूरी पैंट में। एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा, वेरी वेरी लाइट वेट एंड जस्ट लुक एट, यहाँ पे सेम आपको पैंट की तरह प्रिंट मिल जाएगी। वेरी लाइट वेट, वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर एंड आई विल जस्ट लेट यू नो द प्राइस। इट इज़ फॉर ₹1470। ये कुर्ता सेट बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है ऑफिस वेयर के लिए। ओवरऑल आई लव द कुर्ता सेट वेरी मच। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है, समर सीजन के लिए तो बहुत ही परफेक्ट होने वाली है। This is it for this kurta set. Now moving to our next kurta set. Next up is this very beautiful white embroidered kurta set, and it also comes with palazzo and dupatta. Let me show you the kurta first. Just look at this, how beautiful this is. It has this round neck और neck के पास आपको ये embroidery मिल जाएगी जो पिंक कलर की है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रही है। And this is the sleeves पे भी थोड़े से thread work है। And this is how the kurta looks. नीचे भी आपको थोड़ी सी embroidery मिल जाएगी। The fabric is rayon, which is very comfortable for the summer season, and the price is 1190, very affordable. Now let me show you the pant. दिस इज़ द पैंट ऑफ द कुर्ता एंड ये पूरे ऑफ वाइट कलर का है, इसमें कोई एम्ब्रॉयडरी नहीं दी गई है। देन कम्स द दुपट्टा। ओ माय गॉड, द दुपट्टा इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। आपको पूरे दुपट्टे में ऐसे छोटे छोटे से फ्लावर्स मिल जाएंगे। ओ माय गॉड, लाइक दिस दुपट्टा इज लुकिंग सो क्यूट एंड दुपट्टा की लेंथ भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबी है। And this kurta set is perfect when you want a clean and sophisticated look. This is looking very very pretty. The white color is very soothing for the summer season and I just love this kurta set so much. Now moving to our next kurta set, we have this olive green printed kurta set which is made up of pure cotton, very breathable and comfortable for everyday wear. It has this print going all over the kurta set and this is the neck area. You will get this print. It is looking very beautiful, very office appropriate. Material is really good. Let me show you the pants. Pants में भी print हो रहे हैं, पूरे pants में print मिलेंगे आपको। This is the pant of this कुर्ता सेट एंड ये बिल्कुल बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है। दिस इज़ द दुपट्टा ऑफ दिस कुर्ता which is very lightweight and दुपट्टा की लेंथ भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है। If you prefer comfort over everything but still want to look put together, then this is the perfect option. The price of this kurta set is 1089 only and I just love material of this kurta. It's very lightweight and this green color is looking very very pretty on me. The best part, it has pocket also. So that is it for this kurta set. Now moving on to the next kurta set. Next we have this stunning maroon color kurta set and it's a solid piece with embroidered detail. It has v-neck and this lace detailing is going all over the neck area. This is the 3/4 sleeves. It also has this detailing on the sleeves and ये कलर मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था and it comes with a pant and dupatta. This is the pant of the kurta set. नीचे भी आपको सेम डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगी जो आपको स्लीव्स में मिल रही है एंड दिस क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. द मटेरियल इज़ रियली रियली सॉफ्ट एंड कम्स द दुपट्टा एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. दुपट्टा आपको ऑर्गेन्जा मटेरियल में मिल जाएगा. दिस इज़ द दुपट्टा. लुक एट दिस, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट इज़. पूरे दुपट्टा में आपको एम्ब्रॉयडरी डिटेल मिल जाएगी. पूरे फोर साइड में आपको कुछ ऐसा डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा and it is looking so beautiful. The fabric is a silk blend so it looks very rich and elegant. The price of this kurta set is 1549. This kurta set is perfect for meetings, office events or the days when you want to dress a little more. This is very elegant and this gives a very rich look, so I loved it so much. And moving to our last kurta set. Lastly, we have this black color solid kurta set with Palazzo and dupatta. Black is always a classic for office wear and this keeps it very simple yet elegant. The fabric is rayon, so it's very comfortable for all the wear. This is the kurta and this is the neckline of the kurta. It has 3/4 sleeve, round neck, and it comes with a palazzo. So this is the palazzo. It has very good length and the quality is really good. And the main attraction of this kurta set is the dupatta. This is the dupatta of the kurta set. It has black and white print and this print is looking really good. Let me tell you the price of this kurta set. It is just for rupees 825, which is a steal rate, and I definitely feel that everyone should get this kurta set because it's very simple but it looks very stylish, very chic and very comfortable to wear. So that's it for this kurta set. Now we have come to the end. So these were my top 5 kurta sets from Myntra. All of these are very stylish, comfortable and great for everyday use. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.